This is day 3?
Well,
3. Second full day in Tokyo. We had a really full day yesterday. Walked around probably for more than 8 hours. 10. Probably 12 hours of walking around.
So we got back around 8 something.
Yeah. So we went
around
to
9 or so. Yeah, 10, 11 hours.
We went to Shibuya and Harajuku for a little bit.
Hi.
And hi. And but we're gonna go get breakfast because I'm really hungry. So it's really
I didn't know.
It's really rainy today. So everyone's got their umbrellas. I bought this green one. So we downloaded Google Maps and downloaded the map of Tokyo so we could use it without Wi-Fi, which has been super helpful. Highly suggest doing that. And we've just been using it for all the directions. Ooh! What's that? What happened? Oh. Mine is like weirdly annoying. It's like a little... It's not like hand shaped. So we're off the main road now, trying to go to a cafe, and the streets are so much quieter here. Korean restaurant. I want a photo near this text. I don't know. I think it means stop, but. 3 Point Cafe. We're gonna check it out. And eat some tasty breakfast.
Not on purpose, it just happened.
How do you guys like Japan so far?
It's amazing. Far superior than the American culture.
They're like in a different century.
You can't go down a back alley and then just visit a little tiny, most hipster coffee shop ever. Like, toilets are insane.
What?
Toilets.
The toilets are insane.
The days are weird but amazing.
Yeah. No. So there's potato inside, and this is a tomato dip with a salad. I think this is maybe tea and some coffee jelly. How is it? It's good.
How do you say amazing job?
Is this egg salad, Dylan? How's the tomato? Good. Alright. Digging in. I'm gonna taste this. It's really hot.
This tomato dip is the best.
Yo. That's so good. Waffles. They're so cute. It smells so buttery and good. So it's ice cream, not butter, right? Cool. And Tyler got a latte and that orange juice. So I got a mask. I want to get like a fabric mask, but it's definitely keeping my face warm. It's like pretty chilly, but it's also fogging up my glasses. But I like it. We're at Don Quijote, which is kind of like a giant convenience store slash Walmart. They've got souvenirs and stuff. Multiple floors. They've got home stuff. They have so many umbrellas. Ooh, it's cute. Oh look, there's little tea sets. These are cool. Oh no, this is cooler. It's like a $20 souvenir tea set. That's really cool. What you got there?
Bottle opener.
It's a bottle opener?
Yeah. So instead of like, pretend this is a bottle instead of using a bottle to open the. Just go like this.
Yeah. Okay. Ooh, thermoses. This is what I was looking for. Look how cute. These are so cute. I found little sushi keychains. I think this one's pancakes. I might get this. And the strawberry. They have orange too. And cherries. And a peanut. Oh, and a almond. I think I'll get the pancake. Oh look, no. I found a gem. Look at this. Oh my god. Guys. I think this is it. And maybe the pancake too. They're kind of expensive, but it just looks so cool. Must have. We are going to Shinjuku today, and we just got off of the Shinjuku station.
Number 15, Burger King foot lettuce.
Nice.
Oh, it's raining. It's raining harder. I want to go to the Starbucks Reserve.
Here?
Yeah, they not here. They have one in, I think, near Roppongi, and they serve like coffee beers there. Like it's one of the only Starbucks that serves liquor. The Reserve. It seems interesting.
Let's do it.
Yeah. Bridge. This is Takashimaya Times Square, which is like, it's a big mall apparently. And we're gonna see what's inside. Hello. Bottom floor of this place, and we're gonna get some food. Konnichiwa. Oh, these look good, the yakitoris. Yeah. They sell chicken. This is all chicken. What are these? Sakaraki.
Fried chicken.
Ooh. And around.
We got like all desserts.
I think this is desserts.
Probably desserts down here. This is, wow, maybe chili beans franked with sauerkraut. That looks really good. That looks good. Look at this. Oishi.
Yes. Yep.
Yeah,
Right now.
so good. The chantilly, strawberry and cream, chocolate. これください。はい。はい。